Good morning to you. It is out of lockdown time. It's 11:59 and we are officially in Victoria, Australia, or Melbourne, Australia, because regional Victoria has been out of lockdown, but we are out of lockdown now. So we're going to go for a ride tonight to celebrate our freedom, that we could actually go out after 9 p.m. and we're going to take a trip into Melbourne. Don't know where we're going to go yet, so it's going to be a bit of an adventure. Got some refreshments, a few snacks, and let's see how far we get tonight. Let's go for a ride. Well, so far it's been quite quiet around the streets, so yeah, hopefully it gets a bit busier as we move in, but you know, people go to sleep while the rest of us get out and feel the air. Oh yeah. Between lockdown 2 and lockdown 6 traffic analysis here on the Eastern Freeway, there's a lot of traffic, a lot more traffic than there was last year, even though there's a few clips here where it's blank and there's some cars. Yeah, it's probably up a good amount. I couldn't statistically say, because after lockdown 2 there was no traffic on the Eastern Freeway on the same night at the end of the lockdown. Tonight, a bit different, but I think everybody is just so cooped up. They're just out to enjoy the night, what's left of it. It's 1:49 and we're making our way to Wurundjeri Spur. We'll sit up there and have a look at the cityscape. Well, up here at the cityscape at Wurundjeri Spur, I have my alcohol-free beer from Bridge Road Brewers, free time beer. So I'm going to enjoy that and look at the cityscape and enjoy the new day. Down here at Flinders Station, coming up to 3 o'clock on end of lockdown night, there's not much activity in the city. There was a bit of activity with all the street races and that sort of stuff out near the Eastern Freeway, but coming into the city it's quite quiet. I thought there might have been a few more people around, but there's absolutely nothing open. So we're going to make our way down to St Kilda now, check St Kilda out, and then ride back home. Just riding down along the bay down to St Kilda, and it's quite interesting. I haven't been able to get out for quite some time. The smell of the bay, like salt air, it's amazing. Treated to, you know, fresh air up in Dandenongs and that sort of stuff, but coming to a different environment. It's very humid down here, as well as the smell of salt air. So different environments. It's very interesting. The senses are working overtime tonight. Down at St Kilda now, and yep, nothing open down here except for usual Macca's, 7-Eleven and all that sort of stuff. So I don't know where any of these venues they were talking about on the news were going to be open. Anyway, there's a lot of people out enjoying themselves tonight, and just enjoying the great night. It's actually quite mild, so they're out enjoying themselves. I'm out enjoying myself. It's coming close to 4 o'clock now, so I'm going to have to start making a boogie on back to the office, because I've got to go to the blood bank at 7 and go and give some platelets. So let's get on the old pushy and get pedaling back to Ringwood. Daybreak over the Dandenongs. Coming up to 5.5 hours of ride time. It's been an absolutely epic morning. All done. Back. 93 kilometers all up. 4 hours 53 minutes of ride time and 798 meters of elevation. It was a good experience. Not many people were out that I thought might be out, but there was others that were out having a good time. Sorry for a lot of the dark footage in this film. Just no light, being midnight to, what is it, 5:54. So it's been a long, well, just a sub 6 hour total ride. Reflections? Hope we don't have to go through lockdown again. The freedom and just the ability to ride around everywhere was awesome. So until my next ride, have a good one, stay safe, catch you later.